I'm Dan Gookin, author of these books on Word, and here's today's Word tip. In the Microsoft Office team, it's Excel that gets all the attention. It's the popular program, but more importantly, it's the more confusing of the bunch. Where you can fake things in PowerPoint, or yes, even Word, Excel, well, it isn't forgiving. But it's not the only Office application that works with information in a grid. Yes, even humble old Word can manage a table, as shown in various Word tip videos. But did you know that, like Excel, Word also has table functions? Don't get too excited. Here's the list of Word's table functions. These functions are useful, but limited. Word also lets you do a little bit of math in a table, though if you really want to get fancy, it's better just to paste a link into an Excel worksheet, and pasting a link into an Excel worksheet is a topic of a future Word tip video. To help you explore the various Excel-like features in a Word table, hey, back off, buddy. This table shows values in a second column, plus space for a total right down here. Click this cell, the total cell, and on the Table Tools Layout tab, in the Data group, click the Formula button. And the formula you want is already presented. Sum, which is the formula from this menu, and above, which is an argument representing all the values from the cells above. Now, this is the only way to do this. You can't type in the formula. Unfortunately, that doesn't work. You have to use this dialog box. When the formula is set, click OK. And there's the total, just like Excel. Beyond above, you can use the words left to calculate a total for the current table rows, cells to the left of the formula cell. You can also use the right and below words to reference values to the right or below the current cell. These are the arguments you can use. Here's an example of a table for an expense report. So in the tip cell, I want to calculate a 20% gratuity. Click in the cell, Formula, and sum above is already here. However, I want to add times and 0.2 for a 20% tip. Okay. And there's the gratuity. To change the format, select and right-click the field again, Edit Field, Formula, and choose a format such as this one. Okay. And now to the cell below, add the formula. Okay, sum above is already chosen, and add the number format. Let's save a step here. Okay. Now, unlike Excel, you must manually update these fields. So if, say, the drinks total comes in higher, I must select a cell formula, right-click, and choose Update Field to see the proper value displayed. Now, to update all the fields in the entire document, press Ctrl-A to select all the text, and then press the F9 key to update all the fields at once. As you can tell by the variety of commands, a lot can be done with tables in Word. Perhaps not as much as you could do in Excel, but for quick and dirty formulas, Word has you covered.